Hello and welcome. You're watching dbmnTv. This is Mona Lisa Rumbai, bringing you the Salesian news across the globe. Hundreds of members of the Salesian family and the Salesian youth movement from all over the country gathered in Fatima over the weekend for their respective annual meetings at the Marian Shrine. On the 20th and 21st of May, the Salesian family made its annual pilgrimage to the Shrine of Our Lady of the Rosary in Fatima. In the year in which the church in Portugal in particular turns its attention to the celebration of WYD in Lisbon in the month of August, the Salesian family has chosen as a theme of its 71st pilgrimage, "With Mary, let's leave quickly." The program included a meeting in the Good Shepherd Hall with the Superior of the Salesian Province of Portugal, POR, Father Jose Anibal Mendonça, the Provincial of the Daughters of Mary Help of Christians, Sister Rosa Candida Gomes, and the delegates of the Salesian family. The groups of the Salesian family presented the theme of pilgrimage and the 9th International Congress of Mary Help of Christians, which will bring hundreds of devotees of Mary Help of Christians from all over the world to Fatima in August 2024. At the end of the day, Father Mendonça celebrated the Eucharist in the Basilica of the Most Holy Trinity. Monsieur Joaquim Augusto da Silva Mendes, SDB, Auxiliary Bishop of Lisbon, presided over Sunday's Eucharist in the shrine. On Saturday, 20th May, about 600 young people from schools, youth centers, parishes and other environments of the Salesians of Don Bosco and the Daughters of Mary Help of Christians celebrated the National Day of the Salesian Youth Movement, SYM. On 20th May, the Salesians of Don Bosco of the Philippines North Province, FIN, organized a timely webinar that brought together the Salesian family members and young people via Google Meet to celebrate the 57th World Communication Sunday. The opening remarks from Father Harris Pakam, the director of the Salesian news agency ANS, set the tone for an engaging and thought-provoking session. He shared his thoughts with the participants, stating that AI cannot be a substitute for human intelligence or human creativity. It's only a help. Quoting Pope Francis, he added that technology should be human-centered, ethically grounded and directed toward the common good. Touching on the upcoming 2023 World Youth Day theme, Mary Went with Haste, he challenged the audience, particularly the SDBs, to accompany the young in rediscovering the meaning of haste as they venture into the digital world, especially with AI. Just a few days ago, in 4 locations connected simultaneously by video conference, the result of the first Erasmus Plus cooperation project coordinated by the Association Masons Don Bosco AMDB, the Association of Salesian Houses in France, was presented. It is a project launched in 2019 in conjunction with the creation of the Don Bosco International Campus and on the occasion of the European Salesian meeting in Munich, which led to the collaboration of 10 European partners from 5 different countries, including Virus French, the Lemonnier Institute of Caen, the Don Bosco High School in Marseille, the François d'Estaing High School in Rodez, and the Don Bosco International Media Academy, DBMA, based in Paris. Then other schools from Hungary and Bulgaria. From 12th to 16th of May, the Youth Ministry sector of the Salesian Province of India, Chennai, organized a 5-day summer camp centered on the theme, Learning the Arts and Cultivating Dreams, intended to the vulnerable children of Enor's Don Bosco Center. Nearly 196 children from the marginalized communities of the tribes, slums, poor villages and suburbs of the state of Tamil Nadu attended this camp. The young participants represented the most deserving rural children of the Chennai province. Vulnerable children have greater needs than their peers, and at the same time, they are the ones who suffer the most violations of their rights. Every excluded child represents a missed opportunity. The aim of this summer camp was therefore to provide an exclusive platform for these vulnerable children to develop their productive and creative skills with a deep focus on socio-cultural values. This capacity building field aimed to create awareness of equality, diversity and social inclusion through intensive training in the performing arts. The General Counsellor for Social Communication, CS, Father Gildacio Mendes, in the context of his visit to the San Bonifacio province of the Salesians of Germany, 18th to 20th of May 2023, underlined the importance of a clear Salesian identity, professionalism and networking in communication. We must make sure we have strong institutional communication, which allows us to communicate as an educational institute in today's world, he said on the 19th of May in a conversation with the editorial staff of Don Bosco Maiden, the Salesian organization which is responsible for both of the German Salesian Bulletin, the Don Bosco magazine, and of public relations and marketing of the province. Both areas are closely connected in the German province. In times of growing technical and financial challenges, we have to make perfect use of the synergies between the different areas, clarified the head of the editorial team and delegate for social communication, Katharina Hennecke, presenting the work of the editorial team. You also underlined how important it is to have a single, common and solid Don Bosco brand for Salesian Germany. In light of an increasingly weakened image of the Catholic Church in Germany and stiff competition in areas such as fundraising and staffing, a strong and ambiguous brand presence is absolutely imperative, Hennecke clarified. So viewers, that is all we have for you today. Until we meet again, thank you for watching.